on that activity, you have to soak you have to make actually the sprouts at your home, and you have to send me the videos. So some students send me their videos. So very good, well done for them. Good job. Okay, now today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 3, clothes. What is the name of the chapter? Chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is clothes. The name of the chapter is clothes, and this is part 1 which you are going to see. Okay, this is part 1, video number 1. In this chapter we will discuss about the clothes. Okay, so everybody take out EVS book, take your pencil is in your hand, take out page number 17, and today we will start the new chapter, clothes. New chapter, clothes. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to discuss some important thing which is related with this chapter, right? So in this chapter we will discuss about the raw material for clothing. Raw material in Hindi we can say that the kacha mal, है ना? Raw material means kacha mal. Okay, for clothing, कपड़ा बनाने के लिए जो कच्चा माल यूज होता है, that we will discuss. And diversity in clothes. Diversity in clothes means people those who are belongs from different places, definitely they will adopt the different food habit as well as different cloth habits also, right? And the caring of clothes, how we can care the clothes. These topic we will discuss in this video. Okay, so everybody open your EVS book and take out page number 17. Page number 17, right? Okay, so first on page number 17, can you see some pictures? What are those pictures? The picture of a shirt, the picture of a skirt, a picture of a frock, a picture of a trouser, a picture of pajama, a picture of a kurta, a picture of a sari, and a picture of a coat. These pictures you can see is in your book. You can see is in your book. Okay. So now this word cloth, when you will listen, when you will hear this word cloth, what type of questions starts coming is in your mind? Okay, you can't tell to me? Okay, I will tell you. See beta, we human beings have 3 basic needs. We human beings have 3 basic needs. 3 basic needs. Number one is food. Okay. Number 2, house. And number 3, clothes. Food, house, clothes. These 3 things are the basic needs of a human being. These 3 things are the basic needs of a human being. ये इंसान की जरूरत होते हैं, रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान. These 3 are the basic needs. अब we human beings first we will do what? First we will fulfill these basic things. है ना? First we will search for a food, we will work for a food, then everybody needs a shelter to protect themselves. That is the reason we prefer to a house, and the last clothes, because we all wants to cover our body, we all wants to protect ourselves from different climates and different seasons. So we all need clothes. So these are the basic needs. up. Now, tell me one thing. Have you ever think that what the early man used? है ना, जो पुराने जमाने में, जो बहुत साल पहले जो आदिम मानव होते थे, what they used, वो क्या यूज करते थे? What exactly they use? How they protect their self? How they protect their self? First तो क्या किया उन्होंने? Early man ने, they search the food because nobody can live without food. Nobody can survive without food in this world. So food is very, very must. So they search food, है ना? And वो क्या करते थे? वो जंगलों में जितने भी फल होते थे, they ate that fruit. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? उसके बाद उन्होंने मीट खाना शुरू किया, है ना? स्टार्टिंग में तो उन्हें ये नहीं पता था कि मीट कैसे, वो तो कच्चा ही मीट खा लेते थे। फिर जब उन्हें आग जलाना आया तो उन्होंने मीट को आग में भून कर खाना शुरू किया, वो उनको और टेस्टी लगा, है ना? सो दैट इज द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ फूड, दैट इज द जर्नी ऑफ अ फूड, है ना? सो देन उसके बाद अब suppose there is a rainy season, their early men, they used to live in jungle, है ना? But that time weather was very, very cold and heavy rainfall was there, so they wants to protect themselves from the heavy rainfall, from the coldy season. Then what did they do? They start searching the shelter. तो वो क्या करते थे? वो शेल्टर ढूंढते थे. शेल्टर मीन्स गुफाएं, है ना? वो क्या करते थे? बड़े बड़े पत्थरों में जो ऐसी गुफाएं रहती है, सपोज एक बड़ा बिग स्टोन है, उसको ऊपर लगा दिया, देन उसको साइड में भी है, तो वो वहां पर अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट फील करते थे. उन्हें लगता था कि उन्हें बारिश का पानी नहीं लग रहा है, उन्हें ठंड की हवाएं नहीं लग रही, ठंडी ठंडी, है ना? सो that type of house is called the shelter. Okay. Then उसके बाद अब उन्हें realize हुआ कि they should need protect their body also from different weather, from different insect bite, है ना? So what starts they doing? What starts they doing exactly? I am going to draw a small picture. Okay, so and what starts they doing? They starts wearing the what? They starts wearing the leaves, है ना? Big leaves, जो बड़े बड़े trees के जो बड़े बड़े पत्ते होते हैं, they starts wearing those leaves. They starts covering their body with those leaves. Okay, so they starts wearing what? They starts wearing big leaves on their body. They starts covering their body with the big leaves. वो बड़ी बड़ी पत्तियों से अपनी बॉडी को उन्होंने कवर करना शुरू कर दिया. तब उन्हें पता चला कि how we can serve the food, how we can take the shelter, and how we can make the clothes. So I want to tell you one thing is that we human beings have three basic needs: roti, kapda और makan, food, shelter and clothes. These are the basic needs of us. Okay? Understand? Okay. Now, whatever is written in the book, first we will discuss. Actually, na? Okay. So, we wear clothes to cover our body. What is the answer of this question? We all wear clothes to cover our body. Okay? And clothes protect us from, and clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain. And of course, insect bite. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, and insect bite also. Insect bite also. Okay. So, understand the meaning of line number 1. Once again I am going to read for you, then once again I will explain to you. We wear clothes to cover our bodies. We all human beings are wearing clothes to cover our body. है ना? Understand? अब clothes protect us. This word protect, P-R-O-T-E-C-T, protect means रक्षा करना, रक्षा कवच. Okay. Have you seen Mahabharat? Have you seen Bahubali movie? है ना? In that movie, that Bahubali always wearing a सुरक्षा कवच, है ना? So protect करना means रक्षा करना. अब protect from what? किससे रक्षा करना? आपसे, मुझसे? No. Protect us from heat, गर्मी, cold, ठंड, and rain, बारिश, and of course, insect bite also. Of course, insect bite मतलब कोई भी इंसेक्ट जो होते हैं, स्मॉल इंसेक्ट होते हैं, like mosquito, like housefly, like honeybee, like and so on. These all are the insect, and we want to protect ourselves from their bites also. In the book you can see some pictures are given, है ना? Can you identify the pictures? आप pictures देख के identify कर सकते हैं क्या? What are those pictures? What those pictures exactly wants to tell us? What is that? So I am going to tell you that in picture number 1 there is a picture of an astronaut. There is a picture of an astronaut. An astronaut wears what? Astronauts not wear the jeans, no t-shirt, no. When they will go into the space, they will wear space suit. They will wear space suit. Okay. Okay. Why? Because space is a very different area, and when anybody will go in that different area, then definitely he or she adopt the cloth habit of their different area. So that is the reason when astronaut will go in the space, they wear the space suit. Okay. Okay. Now in picture number 2, a chef wears an apron. See, maximum some of mamas are wearing apron when she cook the food, when she prepare the food for the family. She like to wear apron. Why we all are wearing apron? Actually, most of the women are not wearing apron. बहुत सारे जो ladies होते हैं, they are not interested to wear apron. But people, those who are working in a restaurant, those who are working in hotels, those who are working in a 5-star hotels, they should wear apron. They should wear apron because apron means is a cloth, and by using that cloth we can protect our inside the clothes. Okay, and that is the dress also शेफ, एक शेफ की ड्रेस भी होती है एप्रन. Now, in picture number 3, a dancer wears a special dress. Yes, whenever you will see the dance, you can see that particular person, he or she will definitely wear the special dress which related with their dance. Suppose I am doing Kuchipudi dance, so I will dress up myself as well as like that Kuchipudi. Okay. Suppose any Kathak dancer is there, so definitely she will wear the special dress which belongs, which correlated with their dance. Okay, when anybody will do the hip hop dance form, then what she or he will do? She will or he will wear she or he will dress up as like that dance form. Okay, now the last picture, the cloth of a fireman protect him. A fireman, है ना, in metropolitan city or in a big cities there are you have heard so many time in the news channels कि वो बड़ी बिल्डिंग में आग लग गई, बॉम्बे की इस बिल्डिंग में आग लग गई, दिल्ली की उस बड़ी बिल्डिंग में आग लग गई, या मसाला फैक्ट्री में आग लग गई, या फटाकों की फैक्ट्री में आग लग गई, है ना. इट इज हैपनिंग इन बिग सिटीज. सो व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ अ फायरमैन? द वर्क ऑफ अ फायरमैन टू क्या करता है फायरमैन? हाँ, वो आग को बुझाने का काम करता है. सो बट इफ ही विल डू दैट वर्क, then that fireman should wear a special dress, because वो आग से अपने आप को भी तो बचाएगा. अगर वो आग से दूसरे लोगों को बचाएगा, then definitely वो आग से अपने आप को भी तो बचाएगा, है ना. So fireman always wear a special dress which is related with their work. Okay, now some people wear special clothes that tell us what work they do. Once again I am reading for you. Some people wear special clothes that tell us what work they do. अब यहाँ पर बुक में जो लिखा है उसका मतलब ये है कि people, those who are doing the special job, those who are doing the special work, they always wear the special clothes. They always wear the special clothes. Why? Because they are clothes, because they are uniform, we can judge them, we can identify them, है ना. Suppose a policeman always wear his or her uniform, so we can identify easily, yes, that is a policeman. That is a policeman. Doctor always use stethoscope, so we can identify easily, yes, he or she a doctor, है ना. Vakil always wear a black coat, so we can say easily, yes, she is a vakil, he is a vakil. And these special clothes are actually calling the uniform. Soldiers always wear their uniform, so we can say that yes, these are the uniforms. Okay, and children also wear. You all are children. When you coming to school, you all are wearing uniform, except one day when your birthday is there, then school will not tell you to wear your uniform. That day you will wear your own choice dress, but rest of all days you all are wearing the uniforms. Not only you are wearing, we teachers also wearing the uniform. Nowadays schools are not opening, that is the reason we all are wearing the colorful sarees, है ना. Because school is not open, you are not coming to school. But when school is open, when school will open, definitely you people and myself also, we all will wear the uniform. So understand about what is uniform. A special kind of clothes is called uniform. Okay. A special kind of clothes is called uniform. special kind of clothes is called uniform. Understand this much? इतना समझ में आया सबको? होप आपको इतना समझ में आया होगा. So this is for today's class only. ये आज के लिए इतना ही काफी है. When we will meet in the next class, we will discuss about the more things. But before ending the class, some points I am going to tell you that you have to keep is in your mind. Points to be remembered. Points to keep is in your mind. और points to be remember, याद रखने योग्य बातें. Okay, so what are the points in this chapter? Whatever we learned today, what are the main points? Who will tell me? Number 1, we wear clothes. Number 1, we wear clothes to cover our body. है ना? This is number 1. To cover our bodies. This is point number 1. Now, number 2. Clothes protect us from all seasons. Clothes protect us from heat, rain, cold, and insect bite. Insect bites. Okay, this is point number 2. Point number 3, a special clothes is called uniform. A special cloth is called uniform. Okay, these are 3 points which you have to remember in this page. Okay, ये 3 बातें हैं जो आज हमने इस क्लास में, इस वीडियो में सीखी हैं. ये बातें आपको दिमाग में रखनी है. Points to be remember. Number 1, we wear clothes to cover our body. Number 2, clothes protect us from heat, rain, cold, and insect bite. And number 3, a special cloth is called uniform. Okay, now it's time to give your homework. Today's homework, आज का homework मैं आपको दे रही हूँ. You have to paste the picture of different clothes is in your EVS book. आपको अपनी EVS की बुक में different clothes के picture paste करने हैं. This is your homework. Paste the picture of different clothes. In the EVS notebook. This is your today's homework. ये आपका homework है. आपको अपने इस homework को complete करना है और इन clothes पर अपने parent के साथ discuss करना है. So I am going to wind up my today's class. This much learning is enough to you. When we will meet in the next class, we will discuss more about this chapter. So till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.